Alright, hi guys. So by now you'd have seen all this amazing jewelry that's on me all over my Instagram and in a couple of my newest YouTube videos. So these jewelry, they're by Jewelz By Jai, and this one says Queen, and then this one is just a regular one here. It's like a chain link type of vibe. And then I'm also wearing an arm piece as well. I got a couple other jewelry which you'll see on my Instagram. I'm actually not at home, I'm actually on vacation, and I just chose to make this video for you guys because I've had these jewelry sitting down for a while now and I really wanted to get this video up and out for you guys. Yes, so let me just tell you about the wear and tear of these jewelries. For this one right here, I noticed that the chain link is the same color, because for the other one that I have, I don't know if I have it anywhere near me, the other one that I have, it has begun to change. I'm going to show you the Queen one. Like the link that connects the chain together, it has actually gone brown. It has changed, and I spoke to them about that, and they said that this second one, the same iron or material or whatever they used to make this one, for some reason this one changed, and I'm not really a fan of that. So whenever that happens, that starts to happen with any jewelry, that the back kind of changes, I always wear my long hair with it, so it doesn't really show that much. But for this one, which is hands down my favorite, I wear this like when I'm going out for dinner and stuff, and I wear this like when I want to be all thuggy. But I think I'm going to be wearing all two of them today. And of course the arm candy, I love their arm candy. Love. So yeah, so this one is the same material as well, so the back of it isn't, the link, the thing that connects both of them together, this isn't changing. So this is going to be an extremely short video. Just had to come through and let you guys know what I've been wearing and how much I really truly love this jewelry, and you guys should look out because I'll be doing a collaboration with Jewelz By Jai, you know, having my own little, you know, lyric collection or whatever we decide to call it, collection, because I've always wanted to do that, but I never really found a company to do it with, or rather me working with Jewelz By Jai for the second time. I've really grown close to them, you know what I mean. They're a company that I actually truly believe in, and I admire just how the workmanship, I admire how they care about their clients, and yo, did you get your jewelry? Alright, let me call so I really and truly admire that. I admire that about them. And what I love about anybody at all is that I can reason with them. I can say, okay, well, I didn't like this. They're like, okay, you know, I can change it up. If I give them any ideas, they're like, yo, okay, let me see what I can do with that. And I really love that about Jewelz By Jai. So as I've said, this is an extremely short video. I'm just showing you my pieces. Yeah, you'd have seen this one on Instagram when I had it in my mouth and I'm like, Queen. All right, so that's it basically for this video. Jewelz By Jai, thank you so much for this opportunity to review your product again, and your items rather again, and also in the description bar below again you'll see everything about the discount code and where to order and when, which code that will again be placed in the description bar. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for all the support that you've been giving me, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.